up this box and see what's inside. Oh, big box for a small package. BOYA shotgun microphone. Okay, so we're going to be unboxing this. It's a BOYA shotgun mini microphone. BY-MM1 is the number. I think this is a budget shotgun microphone. It costed us, I think, $45 Canadian on Amazon. So let's see what's in that box. Okay, so here is, it's in the little thing here, but so this is the first microphone that we've ever gotten. We've only been using our microphone that's on our cell phone, so hopefully this will give us a little bit better audio. Here's the actual microphone, very small. You have a ruler over there? There's looks very small, compact. Shotgun microphone. What else is the box?
Like this furry thing, something.
Yeah, this is called a dead cat guard, I guess. It's for when you're shooting outside in the wind. We're going to be testing some of this stuff out in a little bit. This is, I believe, the mount for the microphone. So it'll mount on like this, and it's kind of like a shock mount, so you won't hear vibrations inside the microphone. It looks like it comes with 2 cords. Oh, good. Okay, so one of the cords has the 3 lines on it. I forget what this is called, but that's for our smartphones. And one of these cords is only the 2. That's for your DSLR cameras or your video cameras. Yeah, so they comes with both of those. That's good. Comes with a silica pack. Do not eat this. And a little fake leather case. It says BOYA on it. Not bad. Hey. Okay, so we're going to do a couple tests, just comparing the microphone that comes on our cell phone right here to the BOYA microphone. So our first test, we're just about 3 feet away, vlogging distance from the camera and from the mic right now. And we're just going to test, just give it a base test. So we're going to just talk at normal volumes. And in the comparison, I will not do any kind of audio editing. It's just going to be right from the microphone is what you're going to be hearing.
What is a bear with no teeth?
I don't know. What is a bear with no teeth?
A gummy bear. What kind of bees give milk?
I don't know. What kind of bees give milk?
Boobies.
Okay, so next we're going to test how well the shotgun part of the microphone works, and that is how well it picks up sounds from in front of it and it like ignores sounds from the sides or from the back and stuff. So we're going to be making some background noise. I'm in the kitchen here, and I'm going to turn on my hood fan here. Maybe create some noise there. Maybe we're going to have the water running in the back, and we're going to turn the camera around and do some sound tests with the just with the cell phone and the microphone, and see if the microphone does well with the canceling out these noises from the back.
Why do ducks have feathers?
I don't know. Why do ducks have feathers?
To cover the butt cracks. Where do ants go surfing?
I don't know. Where do ants go surfing?
On microwaves.
Okay, here we are outside. Unfortunately, it's not really that windy today. I wanted to test out this windproof shield that the microphone has, but what we're going to do is me and Newton are going to run across the field, so we're going to try to create some wind on the microphones and do a test that way. So here it goes.
What do you call fake spaghetti?
I don't know. What do you call fake spaghetti?
And pasta. And pasta. What do you call a picture of teeth?
I don't know. What do you call a picture of teeth?
A toothpick.
Alright, so so that's it for our unboxing of the BOYA BY-MM1 mini shotgun microphone and our first little trial tests of it. What the heck is this doing in there?
This is our overall impressions of the BOYA microphone. Has a good build quality and uses quality materials, nice gain in volume and overall sound quality, good for focusing on sounds in front of the microphone, good value for the price. If you like this unboxing, give us a like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified right away when new videos come out. See you later!